mtu na by the way, ukiwa na haya you have to look for like you have to hire based on character and not based on the performance. Performance ya mtu inaweza ikawa exceptional, like this person anaweza kawa na perform way ahead, lakini anaweza kawa headache kwenye timu nzima. Kwa hiyo tafsiri yake, badala ya kupeleka timu mbele anairudisha nyuma, just because this person is acting like he is acting in a way that is not putting interest of the company forward. Kwa ukiwa unamhire mtu, hire based on character, and this is I'm talking this because this is currently what I have observed, is that hire people based on character, because skills can always be trained. Kwa sababu skills can always be trained, but you cannot train someone on their character, how they should stop being a jerk. So kama ningekuwa ninachora graph hivi, graph yangu ningeioptimize zaidi kwenye character kuliko skills, because skills can always be trained.